In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a company letterhead in Excel in less than 3 minutes. You're going to need company name, company logo in a decent size like 30mm by 30mm, your registered address, contact details and any other information that might be required. Also think about any specific formatting that you need for the text, things like fonts and colours. Okay, I'm going to start by putting something into the document so that it actually shows the print preview, page layout, print titles, header and footer, custom header. In the left section I'm going to put a logo, so I'm going to press insert picture, I'm going to browse for a file, and that's in there. Center selection, I'm going to put amazing widgets and I'm going to format that. I'm going to say blue and 26. Now the sections are automatically aligned to the left, to the center and to the right, so you don't need to do anything with that. Okay, footer, I'm going to go custom footer. I've got my company information here. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. I'm just going to check the format size on there, just drop it down a touch and make it a grey colour. Okay, we can go to print preview, and there I've got a letterhead with my information at the bottom. The last thing to do is check the margins. So click this button down at the bottom corner, show the margins. The top one is where the header is going to start from the edge of the page, and the second one is where the main document is going to start from the end of the page. So simplest way, just drag it down there. There you can see the start of my document. Same at the bottom, drag it up. Make sure that the footer information or the header information is not going to be affected. Now one other thing that we can do, go into page setup, go to header and footer and say don't scale with document and don't align with page margins. Now that just makes sure that this, whatever you do, it'll now stay fixed. So that means you're going to get a consistent look on the document. So there we are, a company letterhead in under 3 minutes. You can obviously spend a lot longer on yours to make it perfect, but that is basically all you need to do in Excel. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving a like and subscribe for future content.